Hey, how's it going? As the Tech and TV is here, and if you're thinking what is this maybe mess around me, that is because this is the house that I'm working on. I have a construction business, and this is gonna be the house where we're gonna install the brand new security cameras from Anchor by Eufy. I think that's the way you say it. So they sent me these cameras, but of course, as always, I'm gonna keep it real because I don't want to recommend you product that is not good, and of course I'm gonna also tell you if the product is really good. One of the things that they wanted to point out here, that the camera definitely of course has a 4K, very good quality, and it's not just a regular 4K, it's wait, it said somewhere, I'll find it, ultra 4K, which means that it's even better resolution and details and everything than just a regular 4K. So the quality should be really good, but of course later on in the video we're gonna test that. Now this is just an unboxing, then I'm gonna test the cameras and I'm gonna connect that to this video as well. So this is gonna be an unboxing and the review of these brand new cameras. Two cameras with a home base. Now there are two things that I was knocked off, I don't know how to say it, but anyway, that is first, this is a solar pad that is connected onto the camera. So you literally, and the camera by itself has over 13,000 milliampere battery. I think that's right, it says somewhere 13,000, I can prove that later. So yeah, 13,000 milliampere battery, which is huge, but also it's solar powered. So you can literally mount this onto the tree, as long as you have Wi-Fi connection, onto the tree, and you don't have to worry about recharging this because it's gonna constantly charge through the sun, even in the cloudy conditions, which is amazing. So I was like amazed with this part. Now, second thing is, in the home base, you can install a hard drive, and here inside I have a 1 terabyte hard drive. Now you can install up to 16 terabyte, except 16 terabyte size of the hard drive, which means huge amount of memory to store all the videos, all the recording, and all that allows you to actually to have it for free. With Anchor, with none of their cameras, you don't have to pay subscription. So that is amazing. You buy one, you pay once, and you do not pay nothing every month or year or annually or whatever. So that is amazing. So no monthly fee, so free storage basically. So that is great. So those are two things, solar powered and no monthly fees. I was very glad to hear that. Now I'm gonna go to connect this to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go install this. I'm gonna literally install one on the house as regular, and I'm gonna install one on the tree, just to show you that you don't have to worry about no cables and nothing. Now, a few more things that I wanted to point out is human recognition. Then, of course, security reports if you want to call 911 or whatever. It has a vehicle detection, and I think it also has a face detection. IP67 durability, so water resistant. I love how it says stay charged with forever power. I'm going to show you a small installation process. It's very simple, so you don't need nobody else to install this for you like you would need with the other cameras where you need the wires and etc. So I'm going to show you quickly how to install this. I'll probably be done in a couple of minutes. Okay, so like I said, this is so simple. So this is the model S330. So installation process. Maybe you can literally stopwatch me. How long will it take? So you have an Ethernet cable. Of course, we're gonna plug one end here in the router and one end into the home base. So there we go. That's taken care of. Here's the button to sync later on everything. Okay, now the power cord here. So this is it. Now you do have two USB plugs. You can use that to charge these cameras, or you can just use a regular plug outlet, like the same way you're charging your phone. And it's cool that it's also USB-C. So now the most common and the newest charging port. So they did not try to save money and go with the old charging port or nothing like that. So you probably already had maybe even several USB-C cables in your house. So that's that. This is plugged on. It's blinking red. We need to sync that now. So yeah, we have a sync button here. We have a sync button here. Same also here. And of course you have a little brochure that tells you how to do it. Now, if I'm not... So first, of course, main thing is after you plug this in, download the app. Okay, so app was very simple and just says everything very easily how you have to do it. And we have a one button on a home base camera. So you just press that one button, you can't get it wrong. Synchronize everything, hear the beep or or see a blue light. That means you're good to go. And now we're gonna use these holders that you get in a box to install that on the house and on the tree. Literally, I put a camera on the tree because that's the type of stuff you can do with this camera. You can install it wherever you want. Don't worry about nothing except, of course, the Wi-Fi, and the router is all the way in the house. This is tree right next to the house, and it's good. I just put it on the tree because, like I said, you can, and also it's facing the front door. So that's kind of, I guess, cool angle. Again, don't worry about the condition of the house. We're working on this house. We're remodeling inside, and we're gonna fix the outside later on. Now here's the outside camera. I'm gonna later say a few words in front of the camera and show you video of this right now, so you can see the quality, hear the sound. Of course, you will also be able to see and hear the night version. So I'll leave the cameras, of course, through the night, and I'll leave the cameras here for a while. So after a good amount of time, when I think it's ready to be reviewed, then I'll review the cameras. Okay, so far you saw everything about these cameras, and this at the end of the video outro. Of course, I think it would be appropriate for me to make through the camera that I'm talking about, so you can again hear see the quality, hear the sound. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I gotta set back to this camera. And the camera is on the tree. Awesome.